trust. He just puts it out there.
No, it's submission. It's not trust.
It's trust. Believe me, it's trust.
Oh yeah.
Big fall?
So what we can do is we always want to make sure that there's enough padding that his knuckles aren't going to be pushed into the floor. So we test it beforehand. And we never want his fingers to be curled up like this and then to come on them. All right, so always sweep. Make sure that, you know, with light pressure, you've got those fingers flat that way, because otherwise you break his fingers, yeah? And generally speaking, then we want this layer then for hygiene, okay?
And that's it.
We can use our toes for more precision. Again, mostly focused on this muscle here and here. So here and here. How's that pressure?
That's good. That's actually
It worked.
not what I was expecting. Waiting for it.
Yeah.
Waiting for it.
And the same thing, you can use your heels.
Yeah, here we go.
You need to get in deeper.
Yep. That feels good.
And you can just gently rock it. Pressure?
It's good. It's really good.
Good. A bit of shaking as well. That's that nice. And then it's just a case of changing angles. So as I say, I'm not doing an awful lot on his fingers. It's mostly on the muscular part of the hand, here and here. And again, you can see how I even caught his fingers in the towel if I'd have stepped on them. So potentially. And then again, curling my toes under. A good technique for massage therapists as well, so they can get their hands, gets all the blood flow happening. Again, a lot heavier pressure with your feet that you can get than you could with your hands. Again, just putting a breathe into that, easing off a bit. He's quite tight in here. Letting him breathe. You can see that's getting closer to his 10 here, so we just ease off a bit. Good. Now go a bit deeper. Just working on that. All right, and you can see a nice blood flow now. Obviously, I can't, bit of tightness there.
Yeah, that's a dislocation.
And now it's dislocated.
When
I'm laughing at you, mate, we're laughing
With you. All right.
They don't go on
Yeah, so sweep the fingers out, make sure they're not going to be crushed, and then you're mostly working on the bottom of the thumb muscle and the bottom of the little finger muscle.
You doing this or what?
How's it? That's. How's your pressure 4-year-old?
That's good. Probably go a bit more if you want. Yeah, it's going to be better. A bit more there. More. Yep. Yep, keep grind it now.
So yeah, a lot of the time when Corey works on me with her feet, she has she might be standing in a doorway, so she's got the door frame as to push down or to steady her.
That's good.
You might have to get rigid or
I'm only 30 kilos heavier than you.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a bit more.
no, 20. Can't get any more than that.
You can get in there and twist your foot a bit. How's that, Rob? Can you feel that?
Yeah, it's good. Right where you had it there. That's a bit tender, my thumb. Yeah,
Right
right
here.
there. Just drive your heel into it and twist.
You okay? How's that pressure, Rob?
Yeah. Oh.
You're too gentle.
Tell me when you're starting.
Alright, I'll get going now, but can you breathe into it? Right. Just remember to breathe, mate.
That's it.
Do you want me to put some pressure on it, or?
I think he said no.
I think you should go on there.
Yes. Yeah.
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 He said sorry?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's
Sorry, I
what
wasn't
Brandon
sure.
said, yes.
That gets nice and deep in there, huh?
Yeah, that was good.
Do you want me to even up
So-
the other side?
Somebody of your weight could probably walk on his back, although first check with him because he's had that soreness and achieve that balance in different ways.
That's nice.
And use your big toes. Yeah, you can use your heels on those bands, or you can use your big toes. Yeah, get those heels into his tight bands coming up the side of the back. So,
Oh, getting some cracks.
that's good.
Could you go like that?
No.
Are you talking about jumping? 'Cause I don't
Yeah,
think
no, not
jumping's
jumping,
not a good
just-
idea. Oh, that's good, right?
Good, yep.
It's a bit really.
Kookaburras.
Okay, Rob, that's looks like something I'd like to give a go.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay, so you're right for me to get up on that?
You want to do that? Oh, you're going to get up. I'll leave you alone on the floor. Oh, yeah, go do that.
Well, I might want to give her a hand. And just
So-
get on the spine, that's all.
Again, always make sure too that there's enough padding underneath his chest so that his rib cage isn't being pushed into the floor. Are you okay with your rib cage?
Oh, that's nice.
Because that's nice with the elbows too. I can do all the big guys like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you're always like good. You can dig in, wobble. And...
So you can use both your big toes and your heels.
It's a curve.
Yeah, it helps if you've had some surfing.
Yeah, he needs a lot of
Experience.
standing there
Yeah,
on his back
yeah.
because it's got a bend in it.
He does, it's very curved.
Let's unbend it.
Yeah.
You alright? You okay? Breathe, if you can.
Put your heels in.
You'll know when
My toes in.
you know if it's too much.
Because his head will go purple. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is changing slightly.
It's changing colour.
I remember I had a guy, the biggest guy I've ever had in my class. He was twice my weight, so he was 250 kilos. I had him walk on my back.
Yeah,
Yeah, and he clicked every vertebrae in my back.
I bet he would.
And after a few minutes, I was like, "Thank you very much.
Was it you?
That's enough."
Was it your back or the floorboards?
Yeah.
If you had a pole,
I was younger then.
Yeah, that'd be a really good.
then I can exercise myself.
No, the next bit.
I've seen one with like a ladder run.
Oh yeah, yeah, that'd be good.
Oh yeah.
This wooden
Last
ladder.
one.
Yeah.
Ah, this is
Yeah. That's where it bends.
Try see if you can click his back.
okay. Breathe in.
No,
That's what I was.
You can't.
A little bit.
no,
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
Too heavy.
If I was on a table, no problem at all. With not being on this.
Yeah, it's a bit.
But it's
The
hard on
ribs
other
are just
side.
going, fuck me.